Kitchen installation plumbing. Let's say you're doing a kitchen installation and you're thinking about the plumbing. If you're replacing cupboards and changing the layout of the kitchen, chances are that both the plumbing and the electrical will be affected. Should you do the plumbing yourself or should you hire a plumber? There are some things that a person who is good with their hands could do on their own without too much trouble. Changing a tap washer might be a good example. For the most part, however, it is better to leave all plumbing work to the professionals who have the training and skills to do the job properly. In Australia, it takes 6 years of study and experience for a person to become a qualified and licensed plumber. This is the same length of time as some medical degrees. So, obviously, there must be a lot of things that your friendly neighborhood plumber knows that the average handy person won't. Even from a safety point of view, buildings are so complex these days that it's easy to create unsafe and dangerous situations just through pure ignorance. Plumbing installations are usually in close proximity to electrical installations, especially in a kitchen environment where there are electrical and water fixtures near each other. Ask yourself these questions. Do you know what the safe distance is between a power point and a metal water pipe? Does there need to be a barrier between plumbing and electrical parts of the installation, and if so, what should that barrier be made from? When was the last time you read the Building Code of Australia or the Australian and New Zealand wiring rules? The point is that there is a lot to know, and too many well-meaning people have paid dearly with their lives through tragic accidents when trying to save a few dollars on their plumbing work. It simply isn't worth the risk.